What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to enable dark mode in Roblox Studio. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up Roblox Studio. Here, simply use the shortcut Alt and S to open up your Studio settings window. Alternatively, open up one of your experiences and navigate to File, Studio Settings. On this window, under Studio, scroll down and in the General tab, change the theme option to Dark to enable the dark mode. It should be set to default in case you haven't changed it yet. Light will force the light mode on Roblox Studio, even if your operating system is using a dark theme. When closing your settings, Studio will use the selected theme. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.